Hey guys, it's Nina, and today I have a tutorial on how to apply my Go Scratch It nail wraps. So inside each package, you'll find 16 individual nail wraps, along with a mini nail buffer and a nail file, as well as an orange stick. So you want to start by cleaning off your nails, making sure they're super dry. I like to apply Band-Aid after rubbing alcohol, but this step is not necessary. So you size the wraps and you peel off the thin plastic backing and then flip it over and peel off the wrap from the harder plastic backing. I like to smooth out my nail wrap as much as possible. You can see that there are still some bumps and ridges. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a brush and dip it in acetone and just sort of lay down the edges so that they lay flush with the nail. This step helps the nail wrap melt or seal to the nail, which helps keep out any air or water or dirt, which can elongate the wear of the nail wrap. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through a couple of other nails to give you a sense of what application is like and how long it can take. So I really like the step of dipping the nail brush in acetone and then sealing down the edges, but this step is completely not necessary if you have really flat nail beds. My nail beds happen to be really curved, and what I've noticed is that with other nail wraps, they will tend to come up at the edges. So nail wraps don't usually last on my nails for more than, 15 or 20 minutes. That's why I love my scratch nail wraps, because they're made of 100% real nail polish inks, and you can manipulate them almost like real nail polish. So they lay flat with the nail and they lay flush. And wear time can really just depend on how you apply the nail wraps, but also how you use your nails. So if you're washing your hands in a lot of water, or you're really rough with your nails, or you're using your nails as tools, that can make a big difference. So next I'm finally topping my nails with a coat of Sally Hansen's Miracle Gel. Don't forget, you can always retop your nail wraps if you feel like they're getting a little bit dull, or if you feel like they're lifting a little bit. Just put another layer of top coat on, and that will actually help reseal the nail wrap to the nail. And another quick look at the detail of the printing of the nail wraps. Because we use 5 free nail polish inks, and because of the method of printing, you'll find that our nail wraps aren't pixelated and that the images are actually really, really crisp and really clear. I personally love these nail wraps so much, and I'm so excited to share them with you. So I hope you guys let me know if you have any questions. Email me at hello@GoScratchIt or nina.nail.it@gmail.com. And I hope you like the tutorial. Thanks so much.